Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Titus. In this video, it will probably be New Year, so I just want to greet you guys a happy New Year. In this video, like other formats, I want to share with you guys the different things that I want to aim for and goals for the next year, which is 2020. So I have all of this stuff that I'm going to talk about in this box, and I've upgraded now, as you guys can see here. I'm just going to pull them out one by one and then share them with you guys. So I hope that you guys stick around for all those things. Let's get started. So let's start. So for the first one, this one's actually a really good one, but I don't want to share it yet. But in due time, I will. And I'm really very happy that that came up first. So I won't share that one first. Okay, next one. Alright, so this one's just really general, but it says here new challenges and changes in life. So obviously you guys probably will have noticed with your own life, but every year there's always new things that comes up and new challenges. There are a lot of prayers that you've been praying for, and a lot of them will be answered, but some of them won't. Whatever those challenges are, just be optimistic with what you get and also work with it so that you can grow as a person. Alright, so next one. This one, travel to Israel. So every year we do plan to go to at least one country, and because we love traveling a lot, one of the things that we've set our mind into doing in 2020 is to travel to Israel. With that possibility, I'm not really sure if we do eventually get that chance to go there, that would be good, but who knows what will happen. Next one. Alright, this one's again very general. It's just about being able to read multiple books. With this one, it's basically the whole Bible. So for those who don't know, yes, I am a Christian, and I would like to have the chance to read that whole Bible from back to front, but perhaps in an audio version because it's much more easier that way. Plus, it's good for your soul as well. Alright, next one. This one's about being part of a mission trip. With the mission trips, obviously there's something that's really good in contributing to the community, whether that's here or overseas, especially for people that are really unfortunate. Obviously from people like us who are fortunate, and if you get to watch this, I want to encourage you guys to attend mission trips as well as best as possible to contribute to the bigger population out there. Next one is like the one I was talking about before with regards to reading the Bible. This one's reading more books. So this year I've read about like more than 10 books if you guys have watched my previous videos. So next year I want to read another 10 and more. So next one, traveling to Whitsunday. Now this one's not really a goal, but this is something to look forward to, and that is going to be in the month of January. So for our anniversary, we are traveling to Queensland to Whitsunday for the first time. Hopefully everything will be good. Right, next one. Now this one's up and coming. Moving to our new house that we are currently building. If you guys haven't followed us in our Instagram channel, I'll post it up again just right here. Alright, next one. This one's very general. I've got very general goals, isn't it? So this one just says the mystery gift of God, which I don't know yet, really. What sort of gifts God brings our way. A lot of them are really surprises, so I'm really looking forward to what God has in store, but I don't know what that is, so I just said the mystery of God's gift. Alright, next one. This one, I don't know how possible this is really. A lot of my vlogs are really personal, but this one says get monetized on YouTube or get up to 500 subscription. I guess for a second year in, because there's so many things that I'm learning in relation to content creation, filmmaking, editing, thumbnail creation, so many things. I don't even know how I'm gonna get there, but eventually that is the plan. So if you guys want to support me, if you're watching this for the first time and you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe down below. And if you are enjoying this so far, can you please give me a thumbs up? Otherwise, I won't get there. And the very last one, just a quick and easy one, is, again, I think the order that it went through went really well. So this one's about getting more serious in YouTube. So how serious do I want to get? Well, that really depends. So that's why I'm scheduling things in place, being a little bit more organized, and also just learning a little bit more week by week and growing at least 1% every time I make something new. So that's pretty much what my goal is for 2020. Now, I want to hear from you guys. What are some of the goals that you guys have? Mine might be a bit too simple or too personal or too shallow, but I really want to hear what you guys have planned for 2020. Again, if you guys like this video, click that thumbs up. Go ahead and click that subscribe button. Otherwise, I will see you guys on the next video. I do post once a week at least, so I will see you next week. Till then, goodbye and God bless.